Warren Buffett has weighed in on how to address one of America's biggest financial concerns: the future of Social Security. With the system facing long-term funding challenges, Buffett has offered several suggestions that reflect his practical, equity-focused mindset. Here are 4 ideas Buffett has shared that could help keep Social Security strong for generations to come. Right now, only income up to $176,100 is subject to Social Security taxes. Buffett has pointed out that this cap allows higher earners to contribute a much smaller percentage of their income compared to average workers. He suggests eliminating or raising this cap. Doing so would require the wealthiest Americans to pay more into the system, which could significantly boost funding. Since those with high incomes generally rely less on Social Security, this change could add revenue without creating a financial burden on those earners. Another of Buffett's proposals focuses on fairness. He's noted that wealthy retirees don't need Social Security as much as those with lower incomes. To that end, he's floated the idea of reducing benefits for high earners. This would let Social Security concentrate its resources where they're needed most, as a safety net for seniors with limited income. Cutting benefits for those who are financially secure could help extend the life of the program. People today are living longer than when Social Security was first created. That's good news, but it also means the program pays out benefits over more years than it used to. Buffett has suggested increasing the full retirement age, currently set at 67 for those born in 1960 or later. A gradual increase could encourage longer workforce participation and reduce the number of years benefits are paid, helping balance the system over time. Buffett has also acknowledged that higher payroll taxes could be part of the solution. Right now, employees and employers each pay 6.2% of wages up to the income cap. A small increase in this rate could bring in more money to keep Social Security solvent. While tax hikes are never popular, Buffett views this as a relatively modest and necessary step to ensure the program's survival, especially when paired with other reforms. Warren Buffett's Social Security ideas reflect a blend of fairness and practicality. As Social Security continues to face funding issues, these suggestions offer a roadmap for thoughtful reform.